Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. Guys, today I have a very special video for you guys because yes, recently in the stream I was getting a lot of requests from all these people that they're asking me, Rover, which coin should you be buying right now? Because yes, the crypto market is currently on sale, and of course I want to be utilizing this sale off, and I want to be of course getting into some good coins here. And one of these coins is for sure YLD. I have been talking so many times about it on the channel. And right now it is trading on 45 cents. And I mean, even once I was trying to record this video, it was sitting on 37 cents. Right now seeing this insane increasement already. A lot of volatility in the market. And I do get it because I will be going into all the details in a second, because why I think that this is one of the most important coins that you can be looking at to accumulate it right now with a good sell off. Because yes, it is only trading on 46 cents here, where it was of course trading around 80 cents approximately two or 3 weeks ago. And of course, it still will be providing you good opportunities. So the reason why I'm going to talk about this coin, guys, is basically because this coin, if you don't know it already, can get you 20% API here on yearly interest. So you can gain interest on your portfolio for doing nothing. And there is a lot of demand to this because, you know, with this shakeout, Bitcoin, of course, correcting approximately 50%, guys, we all know it. You want to be having something safe. And of course, you can be gaining just a yearly interest with YLD on your portfolio with just holding this 20K YLD. And of course, currently, let me do a quick calculation here. The 20K YLD, let me see here, 20,000. Then let me see what the current market valuation is, 46 cents here. You only need 9,200 US dollars to get into this 20% API here, guys. 9,200 US dollars, and you are literally locked in for a lifetime. And this is of course absolutely insane what we were currently seeing. Of course, maybe once the video is live here, the prices are a little bit different, but just the moral of the story, it is completely cheap right now, because you can be right now, if you're accumulating this 20K YLD, you can set yourself up for 20% API for lifetime, guys. And that is the reason why I'm making this video. And another insane thing that I want to be telling to you guys, because yes, you can be gaining interest on your Ethereum, you can be gaining interest on your USD Tether, but you can also gain interest on USDC. Very, very important to know here. But one of the most important reasons, and also the reason why I do feel very excited about this coin currently, is they are going to add a Bitcoin fund. They are going to add a Bitcoin fund, and you can be gaining interest on your Bitcoin position. So a thing that I think, let me see where Bitcoin currently is trading on. Bitcoin is currently trading on 37K, yeah, 37K here. So if you're going to get, let's say you have 1K Bitcoin and you're going to gain interest for a year. So let's say the Bitcoin is worth 37,000 US dollars. 37,000 US dollars, and you're getting 20% interest per year. You earn approximately 7,400 US dollars, and you can already make your investment to buy the YLD back in just exactly 1 year here. And of course, the more money you're offering it, the more returns you're going to get. And it's completely passive, and of course it's also safe, because if you're doing it with USD Tether, you don't get hit by these insane market dips here, of course. And guys, this is of course the thing that I want to be telling to you guys, because yeah, this tier 5 account is so cheap right now, and I can't stress enough about it that a lot of people have not accumulated yet. And that's the reason why I'm saying this to you guys. And let me go back to the chart here. While it is just a very interesting coin. And besides that, guys, there's also some issues going on currently with Switchberg and Blockify as well here. They have some problems here to keep their funds safe here. And you know, YLD is currently working with one of the biggest partners here, and they're trying to, of course, they have a very good insurance. They have very good insurance, so it's definitely very good to know here. And of course, make sure to also just read through the site here. And if you're wondering which insurance they are using, it is Bitco, one of the largest Bitcoin cryptocurrency insurances, and it's definitely worth to check out here. They're working with more and more partners. They are licensed in Europe. And I mean, it's just such a good asset. What I can't just absolutely can't stress enough about it. And of course, this video is a pretty short video, but this was basically a video for you guys to raise the awareness that you can currently buy this cheap coin. You can just only spend this 9,000 US dollars approximately to get this to get this 20% API a year, and you can literally lock it in for lifetime. And like I told you before, right now it's still cheaper to get the 20% API, but just like other coins with crypto.com as well, it is already extremely expensive. So yeah, once YLD is trading at 10 US dollars, guys, you need 200k to get this 20% API. So as well, with the Bitcoin fund coming towards away next month, I don't see no reason to not accumulate some YLD. I feel still extremely bullish about it, and that is the reason why I was willing to make this video about it. So guys, hopefully you learned something from it, and hopefully you're going to join me as well with this one. Of course, guys, I will be later today making also another video about Ethereum, what we can currently expect from it. But guys, thank you so much for watching here, and I will check you guys later today in a new video. Goodbye.